SED has such a vast infrastructure, passionate teams, impressive technologies, and an endless list of happy customers. But they were struggling to showcase their strengths. The strategy was to develop solution-specific video collaterals.
Trueline Media has been working with us for last several years. And one of the things which I like most is the deep involvement in the subject where we are expecting them to cover the nitty-gritty of the solution.
We created a variety of videos, like dedicated videos to showcase their extensive infrastructure, manufacturing capabilities, a corporate AV to give a 360 view of the organization, short solution-centric videos, customer case studies, and testimonials to further establish SED's credibility and reputation.
Trueline Media team works very closely with our team members, and they go into the depth of the subject, and then they focus to create all the good points that we are offering in that solution.
While we develop a B2B video collateral and tell a business story, we believe that our understanding of the actual solution should come at par with the technical teams, so we can craft the right script and capture the relevant visuals.
What I have seen that my message on every subject goes to the target audience very crisply and very methodically, and then when I meet my customers, they have already gone through various movies that we have created on that subject, and I don't need to focus on explaining them all over again. In the end, we find that Trueline Media, and they are actually the real driver of the business that we are getting to us. And it is only a start of a very long association with them.